Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our amazing community. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to the ultimate solution for all your hairstyling needs, the Broken Hair Artifact Hair Wax Stick Gel Cream. This incredible product is a game changer for both men and women who want to achieve a flawless, frizz-free hairstyle. What sets this hair wax stick apart from the rest is its powerful formula enriched with beeswax, glycerin, and avocado extract. These natural nutrients work wonders for all hair types, offering deep nourishment and repairing damaged hair, leaving it smooth, shiny, and healthy. Not only does this hair wax stick work wonders for your hair, but it also comes with a light and refreshing fragrance that will have you feeling fresh and confident all day long. And the best part? Its compact size makes it super convenient to carry around, allowing you to style your hair on the go. Say goodbye to broken hair and hello to flawless, well-manicured locks with the help of this amazing hair wax stick. Trust me, once you try it, you won't be able to imagine your styling routine without it. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and get your hands on the Broken Hair Artifact Hair Wax Stick Gel Cream today. Your hair will thank you for it. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.